After I have checked this tree, I found out that this tree has a very interesting flow. Hi guys, it's me again GC and welcome back to my channel GC Bonsai and Gardening. In today's video, we will be doing a styling for this Java Plum, also known here in local as Duhat, and in our dialect it is a Lomboy. So this kind of tree or material is a broadleaf material. In the wild, this Java Plum has very broad leaves, just like this one. So as you can see here, it has a long, elongated, and wide leaves. And as you can we will try to reduce its size by doing a ramification technique. So ramify this one by clip and grow or cutting. As you can see here at the top, it is already ramified, and this size of leaves is what we are looking forward. So now, after we had checked and inspect all the possible front for this design, I have found out that this style will fall into a Literati style, and just because most of the first branch located at the top of, or the tip, almost at the tip of the tree, as you can see here. After I have checked this tree, I found out that this tree has a very interesting flow, and yet it is a young looking tree. However, and it is now forming some barks starting here up to the top, up to the tip of the tree. So to make it proportion, we will find a good design for this. Okay, so let's have a 360 view. That will balance all the flow from the trunk or the root base going to the trunk and to the line. As you can see here, there is a cut over here. So when this tree is still young, it is roughly being cut and then grow, then being clipped again or cut, then let it grow. So until it comes up here. So the leading line here is this one. Okay, as you can see here. So this is the apex. However, the proportion is, the size of the trunk is not a good proportion. So we will cut this here, right here, and then we will try to check if this or this one will be our next leading line. So this is just a temporary pot, the training pot, and we will repot this after a workshop. If you are looking for a pot, you can buy at the cheapest price, by Kuya John Shongkong concrete pots. So you can now we will work this Shohin size bonsai, and then later we will change the pot, and then yes, we will doing a trimming of the leaves, and then cutting or removing the unnecessary branches, and then we will select the leading branch or to continue the Literati style. So come and join me. So guys, here's the result of our workshop today for this Literati style shoehin size. I fall under the shoehin category, and it is a Java Plum material. And I would like to give thanks to Atilalay who gave me this material after the show, bonsai show held at Initaw. So, Atilalay at Himampang, shout out sa inyo, kay Kuya Loloy and the wife, to Nanay, thank you very much. And shout out to Bonsai Adventure with Philip. And that's all for today's episode, and hope you have learned a lot in this workshop. And in the future we will have more videos, and to those who haven't yet subscribed to our channel, kindly hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to keep you updated. So, happy bonsai!